Hey guys, welcome to the Discord Trader Creator Pro family. So let me give you a walkthrough of the server. There's a lot of cool features. So first, now that you're logged in, what you see is these 5 rooms. The welcome page where you just got a message, agree to terms, where you just agree that I am not an advisor, so I am not telling you what to do with your money, and you can't blame me for anything that happens to you. So you check and agree to that. So now you've got all of these rooms. First is the rules, which basically says be respectful and use those certain chat rooms for what they're intended to be used for. Overview, it's where you're watching this video. Announcements. This is where random announcements about Trader Creator Pro, maybe the website, and other things are going to be posted. And then from here, you choose your roles. So you can choose your role as a scalp trader, day, swing, or long term. This basically just is to help other people know what kind of trader you are, and then you can connect with other people that do the same style of trading that you do. From there, you've got your watch lists, where I'll be posting some watch lists in the morning. Public chatter. This is for everybody to just chat about trading. The YouTube streams right here. You've got YouTube uploads. So these are just my uploads. If you want me to add anybody else to these uploads so that the bot will post them in this channel, please let me know. And then we have the scanner stream. This is for everybody, and it is just one section of my scanner. Paid members get a lot more, and I'll show you that in a moment. But then you have all of these subjects down here. All of these are things that I talk about in my course, but everybody can see them and talk about them. So like here under brokers, you can talk about what's going on with Tradestation. And then I have links pinned to each one of these channels that go with my course. Like for example, here in Tradestation, here's the Tradestation course that of course is free to everyone. Or another example, if I look at chart patterns and click on double bottom, I've got a video on what double bottoms are and double tops. And if you click on the pinned messages, it'll show up here. So please use these chat rooms though, just to talk about that certain pattern or that certain strategy, just so we can keep everything filed and organized. This down here is for course members only. This is where they would type in a certain code in order to get more channels that are included with the course. Once you have done that, you'll notice a lot more rooms showed up here. First, we have trade and alerts. So here is where I've got a bot telling when certain people tweet, and if you have suggestions on other people that you want to be watching, please let me know and I can add it to this list. And then I will also be posting some of my trades in this room. We've got the course member chatter right here. Please keep this room only for trading type of talk. And if you have some beginner questions, that's what the beginner questions room is for. I will pay close attention to this room to be able to help you guys that are newer to trading. Then of course we've got the live streams and chat. This is where I will post any of my live streaming in the mornings and any trainings that I do throughout the day. And of course where the chat will also be for that. And then we have the archives. And that is basically everything with the Discord server. So let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you in the room.